Hi, welcome to English with Brian. Let's keep doing our TOEIC Part 1 speaking series with this prompt. The first sentence is very easy. I'll read it first. Attention, shoppers. Now, let's do it together. Attention, shoppers. Very good. Next, let's look at the second sentence. This sentence has the word clearance. That word is related to the verb clear, which can mean get rid of everything. For instance, if there is a store that sells summer clothes in the summer and winter clothes in the winter, and it's almost the end of the winter, the people who manage the store will think, very soon we will not be able to sell our winter clothes. So let's sell all of them for a very low price now so that we can get some money from them. That's better than getting no money later. That is a clearance sale. The store is trying to clear out all of their winter clothes. Also, I want to talk about these two words, pleased to. Because the word pleased ends with a D sound, d, and the word to starts with a T sound, t. We often merge those sounds like this, pleased to. The D disappears and only the T is left. That is because T and D are made in the same way in our mouths in English. The only difference is in the throat. Now I will read the sentence. Our store is pleased to announce a 3-day summer clearance sale beginning this Friday. Now, let's read it together. Our store is pleased to announce a 3-day summer clearance sale beginning this Friday. Very good. Let's move on to the next sentence. In this sentence, we see the word seasonal. This means things like winter hats. Those are for the winter season. Or summer shirts. Those are for the summer season. Those are examples of seasonal clothing. Now I will read the sentence. All seasonal clothing, footwear, and accessories will be discounted by up to 70%. Now let's read it together. All seasonal clothing, footwear, and accessories will be discounted by up to 70%. Very good. Let's move on to the next sentence. This sentence has the word reusable. That comes from the word use. The word usable means we can use it. So reusable means that we can use it many times. A reusable shopping bag looks like this. And a bag that is not reusable looks like this. Now I will read the sentence. In addition, customers who spend over $100 will receive a free reusable shopping bag. Now let's read it together. In addition, customers who spend over $100 will receive a free reusable shopping bag. Very nice. Let's move on to the next sentence. This sentence has some more advanced vocabulary and even an advanced phrase. So let's talk about them. The first one that I want to discuss is the phrase be sure to. This means don't forget or please do it. For instance, a mother might say, be sure to finish your homework to her child. Next, we see the phrase home appliances. Home appliances are things like these. Things that make doing things at home, like housework and things like that a little bit easier. Also, we see the phrase entertainment systems. Here are some examples of entertainment systems. Entertainment means things that make us feel happy, like watching a movie. Now, I will read the sentence. Be sure to visit our electronics section for special offers on home appliances and entertainment systems. Now, let's read it together. Be sure to visit our electronics section for special offers on home appliances and entertainment systems. Very good. Let's move on to the final sentence. In this sentence, we see the phrase save big. That phrase is not formal English, but businesses use it a lot when they want to encourage people to buy things. It means get a good discount because you are saving money and it's a big amount of money. We also see the phrase while supplies last. Here, the word last is the verb, and it means to still be there and to be available. The word supplies in that phrase means these things that we buy from a store. So the phrase while supplies last means that you should come there while the store still has things to sell you. We also see the phrase stock up. That phrase means buy a lot of things. The word stock means your collection of things, your collection of goods, your collection of products. So to stock up means that you are buying things and making the collection of them or the pile of them go up because you have so many. Now I will read the sentence. Don't miss this opportunity to save big and stock up on your favorite items while supplies last. Now, let's read it together. Don't miss this opportunity to save big and stock up on your favorite items while supplies last. Very good. Now, I will read the whole passage. After you listen to my answer, you can rewind and say it along with me. I should finish this in about 40 to 45 seconds. But let's find out together. Attention shoppers, our store is pleased to announce a 3-day summer clearance sale beginning this Friday. All seasonal clothing, footwear, and accessories will be discounted by up to 70%. In addition, customers who spend over $100 will receive a free reusable shopping bag. Be sure to visit our electronics section for special offers on home appliances and entertainment systems. Don't miss this opportunity to save big and stock up on your favorite items while supplies last. On my clock, that was 43 seconds, so that was just fine. Remember that this is fantastic English practice, even if you don't intend to take the TOEIC test. It is very useful and natural English. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.